sell all the Korean food here. I think it's E-Mart 24 meaning but probably it's 24 hours and with all the Korean specialty that is available in Korea, convenience food. It's pretty interesting.
Yeah, but I banana.
It's like this is freshly baked. So very typical Koreans, I guess. You have the tteokbokki with carbonara, and what is this called? To, and also the corn sausage, cheese corn sausage. Just seeing this washing machine here pretty cool. Hisense, which is China made, but the design is actually quite fantastic. So far, Hisense I know they usually only have TV. I mean, selling TV right there in Singapore, but right here, I see they have even the washing machine front load. Very interesting. Come here, buddy. Wait. Come here. And then these are the washing machines, and this is pretty nice design. Very neutral. What do you think? Yeah. This is a Harvey Norman. Yeah.